Hi guys, I am Viva. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to show you my recipe for a delicious European baked apple dessert. We all love apple pie, apple crisps, apple tarts, and all other apple desserts. What about apple roses? Apple roses look very beautiful and are so yummy. They have this amazing sweet sour taste. So let's go make some. I will start by adding 1 cup of sugar to about 750 milliliters of water, and will heat up the water until the sugar is completely melted. Next, I will split the apples in half and clean them. I am using both red and green apples today. I will cut them into thin slices. This is about how thin we need the slices to be. The sugar has already melted and it is time to put the apple slices in the water. I will heat the water until it starts boiling. The apples need to be boiled for 1 to 2 minutes. Watch them carefully because we don't want to overdo it. When apples are ready, take them out and let them cool off for a few minutes. I will be using 1 sheet of pastry today. I am making 6 roses, and it is going to be enough. I will divide the rolled pastry into 6 even pieces. While lifting, I am pulling the dough gently to stretch it some more. You can see how much longer the pieces become. Let's start putting the roses together. I'll start by spreading apricot jam in the middle of the pastry. Feel free to use any jam you like. Next, let's arrange the apple slices. They have to be soft and bendy like that. I am going to alternate green and red slices. I am placing them above the edge of the dough, each slice overlapping the previous one. Now I'm going to fold the bottom of the dough and start rolling it. And there it is, our first rose is ready. Take your time to adjust it to make it look beautiful. I'm going to grease my pan with vegetable oil. Now I'm going to prepare one rose with just green apple slices And the next one with just red apple slices to show you that you can mix and match and use variety. Either way, the roses will look beautiful and taste delicious. Meanwhile, I am preheating the oven to 350 degrees. It is important to place the baking pan on the bottom of the oven. This is the best way to bake the roses for best results. Cook for 25 to 30 minutes. Watch them closely during baking. If necessary, cover the pan with foil to prevent the apples from burning on the top. And the second and third roses are ready. We now have one green and one red rose. It is that easy. They both look beautiful. All my roses are ready for the oven. Once again, don't forget to place them on the lower deck of the oven. All I have left to do is to sprinkle a little cinnamon and some powdered sugar on the top. Enjoy! See you next time!